Hi everyone, welcome to our channel App Only. On today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you how to sign up in PlayStation Network account. To do that, you need to head into any browser according to your preference. And once you open it, you need to type URL PlayStation Network. On this result section, you need to tap on the first link that reads PlayStation Network. This is how the official website of PlayStation Network will look like. You can scroll down and tap on Create PSN account. Now on this page, you need to tap on Create. Select your country or region, state or province and language on this page. Once you are done with the credentials, tap on upper right corner Next button. You need to enter your date of birth correctly. Once you are done with entering your date of birth, tap on Next again. Enter a valid email address and a secure password. Once you are done with filling all the credentials on this page also, tap on Next again. Now you need to select how you would like to receive information about new products, special offers and other promotions about PlayStation and Sony from Sony Interactive Entertainment. You can receive via email or receive via notifications on console. Tap on Agree and Create Account. The account was successfully created. Now tap on OK and enjoy the PlayStation Network. You can update your account or do this later. Thanks for watching.